Hi Zulily fans, you're here with Lindsay at our headquarters in Seattle, Washington, and I have Sherry with me today to talk about some amazing tablescape trends featuring Rachael Ray. So what do we have here, Sherry?
Oh no, I'm so excited because we're talking about an Easter table today, which I just love doing this for brunches and family get-togethers. And we're talking about a few different trends. So there's three we want to talk about. Agave tones is kind of the first one.
Love it.
And so it's kind of like a little more untraditional. It's a bluey and greeny tone. So you'll kind of see it in our dishware here. Our plates are all that kind of color. It looks really beautiful. It's got that natural feel to it, but in a fun pop, right?
It's a little nod to nautical, almost like ocean elements, which are gorgeous for Easter, but all through spring and summer.
Oh, definitely. You can mix and match this with lots of things. And then we're also talking about wood accents, another natural kind of feature.
Yes.
You'll see this a lot. I love this here.
So cool.
Right? Super convenient. All your different spices. If you open it up, how fun is this, guys? I'm going to just move all my mugs out.
The Himalayan salt on the top. You've got pepper.
Let your friends season how they want.
Love it. And
yeah, so pretty too.
So
I love the grain to it.
So great for a big table too, because you can separate, pass around.
Yeah.
You're not stuck to just your little traditional salt and pepper shakers.
Yeah, and we did a little wood in our little like cake stand as well. There's fun ways you can add this trend to your table. I love that.
And the wood to me is an extension of the kind of natural elements too, which you can see in the place settings. We have a little bit, it's just a little tulip leaf here, which is gorgeous with the twine.
Just took it right off of our flowers.
Yeah, I love it. So also an inexpensive, budget-friendly way, if you do have some plants in your yard, just stick it right in there. Nobody will know the difference, right?
I love that, totally.
So we've got agave, we have the wood elements, and then what's our third trend?
It's like the neutral serveware. So you're gonna kind of see it in this bigger piece over here, this like a little bit of gray. This is my favorite trend, you guys. We all know I love black and white, but I love this kind of can mix and match with pops of color in there. So really pretty. It just sits really well with the table without being like screaming at everybody.
Absolutely, and depending on what you already own, it's a great element to add to your kitchen.
Yeah.
And we don't all have everything at one time to be able to throw a party, so you can kind of mix and match. And the Rachael Ray elements here definitely do that.
That's what we did too with our little tablecloths. We mixed and matched all different colors on top of all these neutrals. It looks so beautiful.
And we did also want to point out she has these really fun EVOO extra virgin olive oil.
Such a nice way to like serve it, right?
Dispensers, but these are great, and we have the more neutral color up in the front here in the white as well, which you could put salad dressing, and they just add a fun little kind of architectural element to the table too. Right?
I know, when you can add a fun way to like serve something to people, it's just even better.
Absolutely. Well, we want to make sure you all have a chance to start getting creative and thinking through how you're going to use these three trends, the agave, wood, and the neutral serveware. And of course, we have Easter spread here for you, but think about bridal showers and baby showers, Mother's
Day. This will take you right through spring. You're going to see this everywhere. So I love it though. We're kind of showing you the spring version for Easter, but definitely can do it lots of different ways.
And thank you all for tuning in, and make sure to shop Zulily daily for everything we're launching tablescape-wise and home decor.
Great place to get your inspo.
Yeah. Bye everyone.